Stop scrolling for a second. You build everyone else's dream all day. When do you start building yours? I'm Chillstar 08, a 20-year Union Journeyman Electrician. I joined UBC and invested in myself and used it to build a faceless digital business in 15-minute breaks on the job site and after work when everyone else clocked out. No camera on my face, no quitting my job, no tech background, just a phone I already had and 790,000 plus views on YouTube without ever showing my face. That's why I want to show you there's another way. This is the ultimate branding course, UBC, a step-by-step blueprint for building a real online brand, even if you've never done this before. No experience needed, beginner-friendly from the first video, and it works no matter where you live. This is a global business. 470 plus videos, 32 plus modules, 45 plus hours of training, 5 languages. Here's what makes it different. Resell it and keep 85% of every sale. Or build your own digital products and keep 100% because it's yours. No middleman in the way. And no, this isn't network marketing. No team, no downline, no recruiting. Reselling is optional, not required. Lifetime access, no upsells. One price and it's yours. Here's how it actually works. Go through the training at your own pace. You're learning and earning at the same time, not sitting through months of theory first. Then pick your path. Build your own brand, resell UBC, or both. Either way, you own what you build. You're not starting from nothing here. Members inside UBC have posted real results. A first $1,000 day, 24K in 12 weeks, over $50,000 in total revenue. 50,000 plus students have gone through this training. This isn't about replacing your job overnight. It's about making sure your job isn't the only thing funding your life. I'm a wife, a mom, and a grandmother. This is why I joined UBC. Not to disappear from my family chasing a screen, but to actually be present for them. Not quitting everything tomorrow, just not being trapped in it forever. Right now, UBC is $499, down from $1,000. Or split it with Klarna, 4 interest-free payments of about $125. The sooner you start, the sooner this pays for itself. If you're ready to stop trading your best hours for someone else's dream, this is where I started. Click below and get the exact roadmap, the same one I used. You'll get instant access, no waiting around.